Good afternoon, everyone, especially to our young customers. I'm sure I'm super excited na sa araw na to. As you all know, we're very honored to have a very special guest today here at Jollibee Lopez. Siya po ay isang napakagaling na singer na may 6 na platinum album. Isa din siya sikat na aktres sa TV at sa pelikula. And of course, isa din siya sa mga famous endorsers ng Jollibee. Wala pong iba kundi ating pop princess. Let's all welcome and clap our hands for our pop princess, Miss Sara Geronimo. Yan. And to give the bouquet, may I request, Marketing Manager of Jollibee Lopez and Jollibee Gaisano, Sir Ediver and Sir Chito, together with our best friend. Let's clap our hands to Jollibee!
Oh, Jollibee, my God! Excuse me, Jollibee. Oh, Jollibee.
Alright. Hi, Jollibee. Good afternoon. And welcome to Jollibee Lopez.
Ay, abangan mo na ako sa song na.
Ayan. Alright, smile. And take a pose together with Jollibee Kid. Alright, so everyone together with Sir Chito, please take a pose together with Sarah. Alright. Bye. Okay. Again, I request everyone to please settle down and go back to the seats now. Please come in the hall and meet and greet sa ating mga customers together with Miss Sara Geronimo. And of course, together with Jollibee. So we'll put on the 5 winners, so please stand up and take a pose here together with Sara. Yun. For Ivy Constantino, Christopher Luxin, and Rhea Alonso, please proceed now in front of Miss Sara Geronimo. Next winner, take a pose.